Hello everyone, welcome back to Rocky Ridge Auto. Today we're checking out this 2022 Chevy Colorado LT extended cab. Let's hop inside and take a look. Now that we're inside of the Chevy, you can see that it has 48,000 miles. You can access things within the instrumental panel over here on the right hand side. So you have your vehicle info as well as your eco mode and tracking trip and your digital miles per hour. Super simple to find and navigate through that. You have your hands-free calling and voice commands with connecting your phone, cruise control settings over here with pre-collision alerts. So you got some safety features in here. You have your tune and volume behind the steering wheel to adjust that. Lighting is over here. You have automatic lights, so you can turn those on and off. Window controls for just the front and passenger doors, since this is kind of a 2-door / 4-door kind of truck with the suicide doors. Mirror controls, so you can adjust that, and you have that other little mirror, so you have another view of backing up, which we can check out the backup camera by putting this in reverse. To put it in reverse, you actually have to buckle your seatbelt, so we'll do that. And then you put it in reverse, clear backup camera, and then you have those predicted lines that you can turn on and off. Put that back into park, and here's your touchscreen display. So you have your home menu, which has what you're listening to and phone connections. Scrolling over, you have your audio, phone, Wi-Fi settings, anything within your system, apps, and vehicle. Going back on home, you can have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and OnStar services. Nice and simple to access that, and your climate controls also pop up on the screen. So you can adjust those down below here and have a little bit of a preview up on the screen. You have parking sensors right here, so you do have your parking sensors that you can turn on and off, traction control off, hazard lights, truck bed light, and then your lane keep. You have your pocket right here for extra little things. For those controls, you have USB plugins, aux input, and a 12-volt plug-in. Some storage, you have your gear shifter with a plus and minus for that sports mode. You have your cup holders, and then you have a center console with some storage. Sunglass holder up top, of course. Let's take a step out and take a look at the back seat area. So taking a look here, you have your seatbelt that goes with the second door. Open that up and you can actually have access to back here. You can put back seats, but most people use this for like a work truck, putting tools, extra things, and then you do have some charging ports back here to charge up your tools and things like that, 12-volt to USB, and a little bit of some storage. But I think that makes up mostly everything for this truck. Emergency brake is located down below there, but that's all I have for today. I want to thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any questions, feel free to text or call 717-733-8985, or you can always stop in for a visit. I will see you in the next video, but until then, have a great day. Bye.